Kevin is about doing big things in the world. And so he's always thought about large-scale impact. And there's that quote, make no small plans. Well, I think that's his motto. And it's really inspired me, and it's something that I've tried to emulate in my own career.
The biggest challenge in my career was the merger between Catholic Health Initiatives and Dignity Health.
I mean, what a legacy for Kevin. I mean, the guy's done loads of things in his life. If that was the only thing he did in his life, that alone would be a wonderful success. And we feel like, because of what Kevin, together with Lloyd, helped bring together, that, we really have a chance to make a statement about how healthcare should serve the most vulnerable in this country.
One of the core mandates of CHI was to build healthy communities. So Kevin was very engaged and supportive of all of the work to have violence prevention as a hallmark, as a centerpiece for Catholic Health Initiatives.
I sometimes went out to our ministries to look at some of the results, and I can tell you, one meeting I had in one market where I met with some former gang members. And to hear these young people talk about how our program helped extract them from out of the gang. And one young man was 19 years old, and he said that many of his friends were either dead or in jail. And that if it had not been for our program, that was probably the path that he was on. So when you look at how you can make that type of an impact, then that was very important to make investments beyond medical care to help improve communities.
Always under Kevin's leadership, mindful of is how will this impact the underserved?
The biggest impact that Kevin has had on the field is really in the area of equity and reducing disparities. He's really been a leader in the field in that regard. And I think the other thing that I really appreciate is that he has mentored countless people of color over his many decades in his career. And I think that's his way of really paying it forward, and it's something that is really inspiring to see.
I've been really blessed and fortunate with some of the opportunities that I've had, but I also know where I came from and never forget that. If you're in the room, then you need to speak up. Otherwise, why are you there? And so I've never been afraid to make points on issues that need to be said. And I think one of the values of people with a diverse background is that they have those different experiences and that they can bring that to the table. So giving back like that is very, very important to me, and I've done that both professionally and in my personal life.
Kevin, among your many accomplishments is that you have provided strong and passionate leadership in efforts to increase equity in healthcare. While we know it's a continuing journey, you not only helped accelerate the pace, but you also made a real difference that will improve the lives of millions of Americans. It's with great pride that we present you with the 2021 Distinguished Service Award, AHA's highest honor. Congratulations, Kevin.